Hello everyone, today I'll be sharing with you how to make whole wheat mini taco bowls. If you're new to the channel, make sure to click the subscribe button and the post notification bell next to it so you don't miss out on any future uploads. In a medium-sized mixing bowl, we're going to combine 1 cup of whole wheat flour, 1/4 cup of brown rice flour, a half a teaspoon of salt, and 1 cup of hot water. The links for my whole wheat flour and brown rice flour recipe will be found in the description box. Then we're going to add 1 tablespoon of canola oil. We're going to knead until dough ball forms, then we're going to allow the dough to rest for 30 minutes. We're going to divide the dough into smaller pieces.
Thank you. Yeah, man. Did you went to the screening of Pull My Daisy? Did you enjoy it?
We're going to place the dough ball in between either 2 sheets of parchment paper, plastic wrap, or in this case I used a gallon-sized Ziploc bag. We're going to roll out the dough until we reach about 1/8 of an inch in thickness. We're going to use a cookie cutter to cut out the dough.
Thank you. Alright, see if let me sneak through.
We're going to fold the edges in about 5 times, and then we're going to press it into a mini cupcake tray. Then we're going to bake this at 350 degrees for 15 minutes. And there you have it, quick and easy taco mini bowls.